The next construction is construction number 8. And we're learning here to construct a triangle when they give you two sides and the included angle. And so first I want to explain what that means. When you have a triangle, okay, there are three sides and there are angles included between each of the two sides. Okay, so here's a side, here's the included angle with this side, here's a side, here's the included angle with this side, and then here's a side and this is the included angle with this side. So when we want to keep that in mind as we're constructing. So we're going to start off by opening our compass to the length of the longest side, and let's just go ahead and get that on our working line. Okay, it looks to be that long. I think that's about right. So I'm going to arc that off. Okay. And now we're going to create our angle at the beginning of the line. So I'm going to put my point at the vertex, which means put my center at the vertex and open to any radius and arc that angle off. And keeping the same radius, I'm going to come over here at the beginning of this line and arc off that same angle. And then I'm going to measure how wide it needs to be. So that looks to be correct. And I'm going to come over here and make sure this one is the same width. Arc off where it needs to go. Alright. Then I'm going to go through the end point, through the intersection of those two lines, and just give myself some room to work. Okay. And finally, I'm going to, so if this is one of my sides and this is the included angle, then this means this has to be the other of my sides. So I have to measure this line and mark it off on the new line. So I'm going to measure that. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Come to my vertex and arc it off. And now this is the length of my second side, and so I'm going to now finish my triangle by connecting this intersection to that intersection. Okay, we're done.